Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert table in Excel. So very easily you can insert table in Excel. So firstly you need to select your area like this way, click anywhere and click on insert, and here you see here this option table. So click on it and click on OK. Now you see here this column 1, 2 and 3 or 4 will be there. So you can very easily insert it and you can adjust the size like this way. Simply drag and drop this small drop down and you can adjust the size like this way. So very easily you can insert table in Excel. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.